Hey railheads, picking up where we left off last time. We got our cars sorted, Dean's back in the cab with Leon, and we're ready to run around our train. That's next on my Finger Lakes Railway layout. And like the title says, we got off to a slow start today. You know, sometimes stuff happens, stuff breaks, kind of like real life, you know. Hey, stick around to the end for some behind-the-scenes bonus footage. I need about another 10 feet there, Leon. That'll do. You're clear to shove back. I kind of like how that backdrop looks over there. Well, that's a leftover from my first layout. Well, the crew has climbed out of 1995 now and gotten into 2309. That'll be our leader for this turn. Shove back about 40 feet, Leon, so I can see the points on that switch. That's good. Okay, Dean's back in the cab and we're off to Seneca Foods.
Okay, 44, why don't you start falling on the interior about 4.
Okay, we got a problem. It looks like we're kicking cars and we're not supposed to be. Alright, Leon stopped. I don't think anything derailed, which is good. We're going to have to see if we can get him to shove back into the yard here and figure out what the hell happened. Here comes Leon. Nice and easy, buddy. About half a car. We'll stop down here by that tool shed. That's good. Okay, sounds like we broke a knuckle on that reefer car. And I guess it tore some other stuff up when that happened. It sounds like they're sending some guys down from Geneva, from HQ. It's gonna be a long day. Well, like they say, that's railroading. God, this really puts us behind now. Hell, it's going to be dark by the time we get to Seneca Foods. Oh, we're just going to outlaw sitting here. Okay, hey, Dean, Leon, you guys are off the clock now, but you're on call. And don't go down to the Eagle Hotel and start drinking beer. Okay, little update on where we're at. 4 hours later, and the mechanics from HQ finally got here with the parts we need. I got to call the guys. Hey, Dean. Hey, wake up, boy. Time to go to work. Yeah, they're working on it now. Okay, see ya. I'm back with another update. They got us repaired, and Leon's going to shove back and make the couple. Well, let's try this again. It'll just be getting dark when they get to Seneca Foods. Ain't no fun working in the dark. I'm just glad we don't have to do it very often. So when that car uncoupled today, I thought, hey, why not let the video write the script? And I'm just along for the ride, you know? A good chance to mix things up, do something a little different for a change. So I was like, okay, we broke something and now we got to fix it. And then I remembered I had this little welding circuit from Evans Designs. I borrowed a just plug light hub and switch from US Salt and added some sounds and just kind of let the story unfold. Well, this seems like a good place to stop for now. And we'll catch up to the guys at Seneca Foods next time for some evening ops, we'll call it. Should be pretty cool. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.